Welcome back, guys. In this video, what we'll be talking about is list items in HTML5. What do we mean by list items? When we talk about list items in HTML5, we're going to be talking about two type of list items. One is the unordered list and one is the ordered list. So right away, let's just kickstart and explain what each is talking about. So I'm going to erase all this and let's just start right away. Now when you talk about the list items, we have the unordered list and the ordered list. So right now let's start with the unordered list, which happens to be a UL tag. Now I'll close it here. Now this UL tag, what it does is, alright, whatever I'm going to say, this UL is basically the unordered list, and what it does is apply bullets to whatever contents is added to it. While for the ordered list, it add a number to them indicating 1 to 3 in their hierarchy of including them. So right away, let's put a list item tag into it right away. So what I'll do is I'll say this one is home, so I'll just copy this, paste a few more times. I'll say about, so about us. This one, say services. Then I'll say contact us. Contact us. Save this. Go back to our browser and review. Here we go. This is an unordered list talking about the about us, home, service, contact us. These are basically our navigational elements, what we see in our navigation in websites, and that is what I've added right now to this. In terms of this, in unordered list, as you can see, what it does is apply a bullet before each of this item here, but in the ordered list, it's going to apply a number to each of them. So right now I'm just going to copy this, paste it. Sorry about that. Instead of UL, I will say OL. Then I'll add an OL closing tag. What this OL means is ordered list. So, and this is also OL, which is the closing tag, ordered list. So if I save and go back to our browser, refresh this, wow, this is it. These two items here are list items, but one is an unordered list and one is an ordered list. In this case here, there's no direction to what is to be done. Everything here is just being added to in form of a bullet, but there's no hierarchy. If I say, okay, go to this place and attend to each of them one after the other, which one am I to start with? I can't really say. I can start with this and start with it, but in this one here, you see number 1, number 2, number 3. It means that this is what an ordered list. So if you are told to come and work on this list, for instance, you don't need anybody to tell you. Using a common sense, or common sense in the real sense, you can just start with 1, 2, 3, and 4. But that is different for the unordered list, and that is the name it bears, unordered. But this one is an ordered list. So the difference between them is that one is in an hierarchy and the other one is not. Everything is just arranged as it's seen. So what this means is that if you need to at least itemize some content in your website by adding numbers to them, you can just basically go and add them in an ordered list, and everything will be itemized like this. And for your OL, you can style them to give you good fonts, good colors, and the rest. and that will be in CSS, but that is not what we are after right now. So this is basically what ordered list and unordered list is talking about. So see you in the next video, and we'll be talking about links in our HTML5. What do we mean by links? Links is something that I have to talk about directions, so we'll talk about that properly in the next video. So see you over.